In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notes in Obsidian Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any note from your vault and send it to the app or person you need quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your vault, especially if you have a lot of notes. Once you're in, look to the top left of the screen and tap the small box icon. This opens the file browser, which is your overview of folders and notes. It's the fastest way to navigate your vault and make sure you're working with the right file. Now, choose the note you want to share. If your vault is busy, use the search field at the top to find it by title or a unique keyword, then tap the note to open it. Take a quick glance to ensure it's the correct one and that it doesn't include anything you don't want to send. Remember, what you share will reflect the content of this note. With the note open, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the More Actions menu. If your toolbar is hidden, a single tap on the screen usually brings it back into view. This menu is where Obsidian keeps common actions for the note you're viewing. Next, tap Share. Your device's share sheet will appear, letting you pick where to send the note. Choose your destination messaging, email, notes, apps, or simply copy to place the text on your clipboard. Obsidian shares the text content of the current note, typically in Markdown. That means headings, bolding, links, and callouts will appear as Markdown formatting in most apps. Keep in mind that attached files, like images or PDFs referenced in the note, aren't bundled with the text, so they'll need to be shared separately if the recipient needs them. Before you finalize, glance over the preview in your chosen app to confirm everything looks right and that no private details are included. And that's it. You've opened Obsidian Mobile, navigated to your note, accessed the More Actions menu, and shared it to the destination that works best for you.